Hello, what's up YouTube? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my first try to fix the controller of my husband. Let me see if I can make it. I will be able to fix this controller. We play online games. It's hard to take it out. There you go. We play Fortnite, Black Desert, Dark Soul, Path of Exile, of course, Skyrim, Elder Scroll. Sometimes Call of Duty too, but a lot of nerds. Let's see. I have to pick this one. Huh. I have to replace this one. This joystick is drifting always. I hope I'm able to fix this. And follow us on Twitch too. We do live stream on Twitch also. Now next, this one at the back. Okay, and then this one, the small one. If this one is small, they are not the same. And the same size, the same number. Just let me try. Just comment down below from what country you're watching. Which one is that? So I gotta take this. Where is it now? This one, oh, it will be right here. This one. Gotta turn off my ceiling fan. fix one soldering soldering pump. I have to use this one. Now let me try. I can barely see, it's dark. It's only I need to replace well, I'm hoping I can able fix this one. It's not gonna be no book damage. Ito ang saka. Looks like yung sucking out. Oh, it's so hot. I gotta turn the fan on. Oh my god, it's hot. all this one. It's all gonna suck up all the soldering metal in the soldering lead. I hope I'm doing right. I saw it on other video. It's easy. Always right. It's easy, but it's not easy to do it. Kwa lang. Let me try to pull this out. Can unplug this one. Make sure that I will not get wet.
Beautiful.
Thank you, handsome.
Yeah.
Cheap. Let's have some halo-halo.
Got some chicken feet for Vera too.
Let's have a warm-up.
Oh yeah, it's hot outside, man. Some halo does some justice.
Ube halo-halo.
I bought Whitey a chicken foot too. I love that dog.
Whitey.
Yeah, he's a good dog. The big boy too. He took that chicken foot and went to the back. There ain't no dog coming with this, y'all bite the ass.
Good. I see that. Halo-halo. Gulaman. Gulaman is gelatin. Red color red and green. With some salad macaroni.
Masarap.
Oh shit. Right, it's so hot, so it's time for having a cool dessert. I don't know. Dessert or sort.
Our cheat day and our workout plan too, so it's okay. Thank God it's Friday. Monday to Thursday, fasting, excruciating. Friday, thank God. Back to Saturday and Sunday, the same thing.
The same shit.
It's not shit because we're progressing, we're getting better. No pain, no gain.
So small.
This ain't the only one I'm buying. I got 100 pesos left. That means we can get 10 more of these today.
You mix it up.
I like the ice too. Cools down my core. I got your Pepsi too, sweetheart.
Thank you, handsome.
You're welcome, beautiful. And I got some what do you call it?
Lipstick.
Some food. How do you call it food over here again?
Pagkain.
Pagkain.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, Bear. Here's your chicken foot, Bear. Good girl, Bear. Oh yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Bear.
I'm hoping I can able to fix your controller.
Maybe.
That we can do live stream together on Twitch, you know?
Oh yeah. We could play Borderlands together. We could play Path of Exile 2 together, Fortnite.
You finish yours?
You're welcome.
Fishball. We have banana, sweet potato, gelatin red, and the rest is some toto. Macaroni. Yes, macaroni. Got some crushed ice and food flavor. Right now is ube. Ube is yum. Thank you, handsome.
You're welcome, sunshine.
It's out outside. Night school inside. Have some cool. Cool drinks. Don't mind my English if it's backward. Yeah.
They were all saying it was hot outside today.
Very hot.
9 o'clock, you can feel the sun sizzling right to the roof.
Shit.
Tell you what, it's hot out there, Lois. Oh my God. You go out there and the sun just hits you in the ass. Kind of knocks you out.
For who's that barbecue?
Of course.
I'm over here slipping to my Peter Griffin voice when I'm trying to talk normal. I'm like,
That's for us.
You're good in like that
Oh, yeah.
impersonator.
I had Tanya laugh on my Cleveland Brown expression. She was cracking off. She's like, oh, no, 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 no. He could do Cleveland Brown too.
Car space.
You mean, what you call it again? Chewbacca?
Antonio
I
Montano.
could talk like tobacco. People can understand me.
And the car space. How you do it?
Scarface? Oh, yeah, Scarface.
Hey, what the fuck you talking about, man? I already told you about Sosa. I don't fucking trust the fucking guy, okay? The fuck is your problem, man?
Coño, Tony, I was just trying to...
I don't fucking care what you're trying to understand. I already told you. No fucking kids. How are you? Well, listen. Well, you stupid fuck. Look at you now.
Yeah.
Are you okay? It's okay. Another cuero. She'll me in the morning.
Do they give you sauce for the...
Yeah, got some sauce and everything over there. Got the salsa, the merengue. Don't underestimate her. When she's showing it off, that means it's good.
Oh, yeah.
If she's eating and she don't show the camera, it's alright, it's alright. But if she's
Almost.
showing it off, that shit's banging. Off the tizzy.
You know?
Oh yeah. Let me give you some pan too beautiful when you put in the oscillate. I don't know how it's gonna reach both of us, but we'll try.
I'm gonna get some paper.
You get a bowl and put the sauce in it.
go, Marco.
I gotta find the sabaw again. Things in here? Yeah. Right. Yep. Oh, just like that, huh? Just like that. There. Right. I'm gonna put the whole thing like this, like that, and take it out. And then we'll the whole stick on saute. Pieces, so it's good. Anyway.
Thank you. Here you go, my fish ball. My husband bought it for me. I'm fixing his controller so he feed me this fish ball.
Hey, at least that's fair.
Yes. So, here you go, fish ball. Mm. I think it's a homemade fish ball. Made from flour. Let's drink Pepsi. Pepsi in the Philippines. Ah, it goes to my nose. The acid. Before I'm selling also barbecue, but I stop now. Hopefully one day I will be able again to sell barbecue. I'm full.
Hello, YouTube. Little message for today. If you can't make people like you, you can't make people respect you. But you can make it a priority to love yourself, not understanding and fearing that their opinions mean nothing. You can choose yourself.
Please like and subscribe
You can nourish your
and follow us on Twitch also to support our channel.
your body electricity, and no amount of negativity can make it dent in your spirit. Always choose yourself and remember you come first. When I don't love you, you don't deserve a spot in your life. You are meant for greatness. You are not meant to be
Let's see how many people
hold back.
love eating fish ball.
And realize who you are. There's nobody
Give us a
else
slide.
make it.
If you love fish ball, give us a slide.
Take care. Hello, YouTube. Little message for today. If you can't make people like you, you can't make people respect you. But you can make it a priority.
And if you love Pepsi or Coke, leave a comment.
Cheers. Which one is tastes good? The halo halo I eat at first Or Pepsi. A partner with the
Body
fishbowl.
electricity, and no amount of negativity can make it dead.
I think it's Pepsi.
If you love Sting, leave a heartfelt comment. If you love Cobra, leave an offensive comment. If you love Mountain Dew, put a whole bunch of smiley faces. If you love Sprite, put a whole bunch of frowning faces. Or if you love a woman that can fix a controller and play games with you, leave a whole bunch of hearts.
How do I do it hard? Like this. Give me a heart. Give me a heart. Oh, I'm full, Marco.
You full?
Yes.
I still have a whole another one for you.
Um, save it later.
Have it with dinner.
Yes.
I'll give it to Vera.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's gonna say okay. I'm gonna say, hell no.
Ah.
That's a good one.
Okay.
No cap, that was a good one.
My Vera loves barbecue.
Oh hell yeah.
But she loves more my homemade barbecue.
Mang inasal, mang kati inasal.
Yes.
Vera.
Here you go. I finished my fishball. I think it's back to fix controller.
Careful.
Post it.
Do a part 2, announce a part 2.
I'll make another part 2 of this video.
The phone temperature's too high.
Yes, because the phone have it give me notification the temperature is too high. So I make a part 2 video of my videos. Okay, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.